everyone. I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, and I'm thrilled to be joined by my friend Amy of ICI Homes. They're a part of this great Nocatee family, and we're in the beautiful community of the settlement at 20 Mile. So Amy's going to show us this great quick move-in home. Thanks for having us, Amy.
Thanks for being here. Super excited. Welcome to our Aiden here at the settlement. We've got this gorgeous craftsman style home here in the settlement. This is my Aiden, so welcome, come on in.
Wow. This is a beautiful floor plan. This has to be wildly popular.
It is. It's been our most popular floor plan here. You come into our beautiful 12-foot ceilings here in the gallery. Right up front, you've got two beautiful bedrooms with a full bath. Gorgeous 10-foot ceilings. Soft gray paint, gray carpet. Super popular right now.
Carly, if you can, show the beautiful. This is tile.
This
correct?
is woodland
tile.
tile.
Yeah, let me get this. Because this is carried into the bathroom, but throughout the whole first floor. This is just beautiful.
Let me peek in.
It is single-story home, 10-foot ceilings, but in the gallery, like I said, you've got 12-foot ceilings with tray ceilings throughout the gallery. You've got a 3-car tandem garage right here as well. Yeah, and then right to your left, you've got an awesome, really large laundry room. We've piped it not only for gas, but also electric, so you can bring whichever dryer you prefer.
See, I love that. And it really is a wide laundry room.
Yes.
And Carly, really quick, I do want to show that there's storage.
Oh my gosh.
I just think that's so important. Again, ICI Homes always does a good job showing storage. So I wanted to make sure that we got to see that.
Yep.
So in this laundry room, that'd be a great place to put your brooms, etc. And then I just can't say enough. Okay, this space on the right, I think this is an important space in homes. So tell us, what have people used it for?
Yeah, so we call this our flex space, but a lot of people would use it as a home office. I've also had people use it for a really good like playroom for kids, because it's right off the living room. You can still see them from the kitchen. Home office in our model, we've got it set up as a bar area or an office.
That's right.
It is. It's really cute. It looks like a bar, but it's actually a desk. Then on the left here, you've got your 3rd bedroom with an ensuite bath. So this could be for your favorite child.
Let's see.
Or guests coming from out of town. It would be a really nice guest suite. Like I said, full bath in the bedroom, so ensuite bath with a shower.
Very nice.
And also, you know what, we get a lot of multi-generational living.
Yep.
So I do want to point out, this would be a great room for that adult parent.
Absolutely.
For example, living with you, or that college student coming home and maybe living with you for a little bit of time.
Absolutely.
Okay, this is a huge open floor plan on this space.
It is.
I know this is why the Aiden has to be popular.
It is. Huge dining, living, and kitchen all in one room. 12 ceilings, tray ceilings, really nice and open. You've got transom windows, 3-door sliders, so you've really got a nice living space that opens up to your outdoor space, which we love here in Florida.
We really do, and also the natural light coming in here. I know Amy turned on the recessed lights and the beautiful pendants over the island, which I do want you to show, Carly. But you really don't have to turn on the lights in this space.
You don't. It's a really light space without the light. Lots of natural light. Like I said, transom windows, 3 over the slider, 3 over the living space, and another 2 over the dining space.
Let's show these cabinets. I want to, because Amy pointed this out to me. Can you show the sliders in the cabinets?
Oh, yes.
Here, go ahead, Amy.
Yeah, sure.
Open that.
You've got sliders in.
Oh, how cool.
Yeah.
I love that. So you could just pull it out to get your pots and pans, but better yet, look at this deep drawers.
Oh, wow.
Under the gas range, 5 burner. I do want to always point that out, so that's terrific. And then over here, we've got our oven. Love that. And then that's like
It's your microwave.
you got
Oven micro combo.
I'll tell you what, microwaves did not look like that.
No.
That is a upscale microwave.
Really nice pantry over there to the right too.
Yes, love the pantry space. So again, in this open floor plan, you can do a huge dining area, but then carry it into your beautiful couches, chairs. But let's look outside. Carly, I don't know if you want to go out or not, but if you can see
Let me go out.
this is a huge lanai. And it does have the hard covered roof roof, and that's important to point out because if it's raining, this is such a huge space that you could screen this in if you wanted to. And I'm not kidding you. I mean, you could throw a ball across this space.
We've actually extended this tonight. It's 20 by 20, and we plumbed it for a summer kitchen.
Can you really get this space,
Yeah,
darling? I mean, it really, I wish we...
It's hard to see on camera,
It really
but this
is.
is so large.
It is so big. And then let's point out this park. This is why this lot is such a gem. Not only do you have a beautiful water view, but you also have a permanent park of the settlement right here in the middle. So this great green space. So if you do have young people in your family, I mean, I would just walk
Or dogs.
Or dogs.
Yep.
You're right, because there is a dog receptacle over there. But you could walk right across and boom. You know what my husband would say, get off my grass and go in that park right now and throw your football over there. So I mean, this lot, it really
It
is.
also allows a lot more light, I think, into the home.
I agree. Yeah, I know this lot's gonna go quickly in this home. I just love this. Okay.
All right, where are we headed?
Now we're going into the master bedroom.
Okay.
So you've got this really neat kind of niche. So
Yeah.
the master bedroom isn't right off your living room. It gives you some kind of privacy to
I
come
agree.
around the corner, which is really nice.
And again, look at that beautiful picture window in the center. Absolutely beautiful. The view is beautiful. The big thing about the settlement that we keep hearing in the Welcome Center is it's a very intimate community.
It is. It's kind of a boutique community.
It really is. You don't have a whole lot of lots. You do
With
have
the
a
space.
gate, by the way. You have an electronic gate at the front so cars just can't come in, come out,
Correct.
which is a nice added feature. And it's just you and one other builder, so it's very just intimate.
It is. There's only 101 homes here. So it's really kind of a nice, small, intimate community where you'll know your neighbors.
I really think your community is going to sell out.
It is. It's selling really quickly.
We're all betting less than a year. Just so you know, I think I'm at 11 months is my bet.
Oh.
I think my coworkers might be 12, and I'm like, okay, I'm ready.
I might run in on this.
You might, yeah, Starbucks card. Okay, by the way, show this, the two sinks, and also the vanity area in the middle.
Oh,
so you
how
can put a
nice.
chair right here. This is great for your, obviously, if you've got makeup or other doodads right
And check
there.
out that giant shower.
It's, you know what, it's
Wow.
giant, but I want to let people know it's not over
No.
the top, which is great. But it is enough space in here, and I do love that. I do love
The
that,
bench.
yeah, that you did the bench. Because I don't care what age you are, that is a really nice
It is.
feature to have.
And an awesome closet.
Huge
Oh,
walk-in
wow.
closet, very, very big. Of course, ICI just put a few racks in here, wire racks, just to show you what you can do, but really is endless. You could do a custom closet in this
Absolutely.
space. So remind me again, let's talk to the viewer about the square footage, bedrooms, bathrooms. Tell me about this floor plan.
Sure. Once again, this is my Aiden floor plan. It's 2,399 square feet.
Okay.
4 bedroom, 3 bath,
Love
with a flex space.
With a flex space, off of the park,
Off the park.
off of the water.
Correct.
So it is literally a perfect lot in my opinion. Just want to remind people, I want you to call Amy today. I want you to come out to ICI Homes. I want to remind you where we are. We are at the settlement at 20 Mile. And not only the magic of this boutique small neighborhood, but also sidewalks within this neighborhood. So you can do a
Absolutely.
huge circle.
You could.
Sidewalk the entire way to Ponte Vedra Beach. Yes, I said it. I say it every time because it's important with these 20-mile neighborhoods. You are the closest communities to your feet in the sand, and you can ride your bicycle. Right now, we're at slightly over 4 miles to the beach. So this is an ideal community to be in.
It really is.
And when 20 Miles sells out, it's sold out, guys. I mean, you're not going to be living by me. Way south. So again, thanks for watching Walk Through Wednesday, brought to you by the award-winning Park Group. Carling's behind the camera. The beautiful Amy next to me. Call ICI Homes today. Bye, y'all.
Bye.